Imagine regrowing an arm or living forever. Sounds impossible, right? But for some animals it's just another day. Welcome to the world of real-life animal superpowers, where evolution has crafted abilities that defy belief. From creatures that can survive in space to those that generate electricity, nature's ingenuity knows no bounds. Today we'll uncover the most mind-blowing animal abilities ever discovered. Get ready to meet the true superheroes of our planet. No fiction, just astonishing reality. Let's dive in. Meet the axolotl, the amphibian that can regrow entire limbs, parts of its heart, and even its brain. Native to the lakes near Mexico City, this salamander never truly grows up. It stays in its youthful aquatic form for life. Lose a leg? The axolotl simply grows a new one, complete with bone, muscle, nerves and skin. No scars, no imperfections. Its secret: a lifetime supply of stem cells that rush to the injury, transforming into whatever the body needs. This process, called regeneration, is so precise that the new limb is indistinguishable from the original. The axolotl's perpetual youth, or neoteny, is thought to be the key to its powers. Scientists are racing to unlock these secrets, hoping to one day help humans regrow limbs or repair damaged organs. After injury, a cluster of cells called a blastema forms, acting as a command center for rebuilding. Cells in the blastema temporarily lose their identity, then specialize again to reconstruct the missing part. Over weeks, a new limb grows, nerves reconnect, and the axolotl is as good as new. But this marvel is critically endangered, threatened by pollution and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are vital to save this living library of regenerative secrets. The axolotl is a testament to nature's resilience and a beacon of hope for future medical breakthroughs. Its story reminds us that even the most extraordinary creatures need our protection. In the quiet waters of Mexico, the axolotl quietly rewrites the rules of biology. It's not just a scientific curiosity, it's a symbol of what's possible when nature gets creative. Imagine a world where humans could heal like this. Thanks to the axolotl, that future might not be so far-fetched. For now, this gentle salamander remains one of evolution's greatest masterpieces. Its powers are real, its future uncertain, and its lessons invaluable. The axolotl, a quiet miracle, fighting for survival. Will we learn from it before it's too late? Only time will tell. Deep in the ocean, a tiny jellyfish has found a loophole in the laws of life and death. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. When threatened by old age or injury, it doesn't die. Instead, it transforms itself back into a juvenile, starting life anew. This process, called transdifferentiation, lets its cells revert to an earlier state, erasing the effects of aging. The jellyfish collapses into a blob, then grows into a new polyp, eventually budding off new adults, potentially forever. It's not invincible, predators and disease can still end its life. But aging is no longer a limit. Its cells are masters of flexibility, able to switch identities and functions as needed. Scientists are fascinated by this biological reset button, hoping to uncover secrets that could revolutionize medicine. Imagine repairing aging tissues or regenerating organs by reprogramming our own cells. The immortal jellyfish is a humble, drifting marvel, no bigger than a fingernail, yet it holds the key to eternal youth. Originally from the Mediterranean, it now inhabits oceans worldwide, quietly multiplying through its endless cycle. Its existence challenges our ideas of individuality and mortality. Is it the same creature reborn, or a clone of itself? The lines blur. This jellyfish is a living paradox, a creature that dances with time, defying the finality of death. Its story is a reminder that nature's greatest mysteries often come in the smallest packages. The immortal jellyfish, a symbol of life's endless possibilities. As we study its secrets, we may one day unlock new ways to heal, rejuvenate, and perhaps even extend our own lives. For now, it drifts on, quietly rewriting the rules of existence. In the vast ocean, immortality is real, and it's smaller than you think. The immortal jellyfish, proof that nature always has another trick up its sleeve. What else might we discover if we keep looking? The answer could change everything. In the end, the jellyfish's greatest power is its ability to inspire, and that may be the most important superpower of all. Meet the tardigrade, the toughest animal on Earth. Also called the water bear, this microscopic creature can survive where nothing else can. Tardigrades endure boiling heat, freezing cold, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions turn deadly, they dry out and curl into a ton, suspending their metabolism to near zero. In this state, they're nearly indestructible, protected by unique proteins that shield their cells like armor. Scientists have boiled, frozen, and irradiated tardigrades, even launched them into space. Most survived and revived with just a drop of water. Their resilience has sparked theories about life traveling between planets. If anything could survive such a journey, it's the tardigrade. The secret lies in their TDPs, proteins that form a glass-like shield around vital molecules, preventing damage. When water returns, the tardigrade springs back to life, ready to face the world again. It's a microscopic resurrection, proof that life can endure the impossible. Tardigrades are everywhere: mountains, oceans, rainforests, and even your backyard moss. They're not complex or intelligent, but they're masters of survival. Their story is a powerful reminder life is tougher, more adaptable, and more persistent than we ever imagined. In a universe full of extremes, the tardigrade is nature's ultimate survivor. It shows us that even the smallest creatures can have the greatest resilience. The next time you look at a drop of water, remember, there could be a tardigrade inside, waiting for its next adventure. These tiny animals are a testament to evolution's creativity. They prove that survival isn't about strength or speed, it's about adaptability. The tardigrade, a microscopic marvel, quietly conquering the impossible, and reminding us that life always finds a way. Deep in the Amazon, a creature generates electricity powerful enough to stun a horse. The electric eel. Not a true eel, but a knife fish. It's a master of bioelectricity. The electric eel can unleash shocks over 600 volts using specialized organs that make up most of its body. Thousands of electrocytes, modified muscle cells, act like batteries, stacking their charges for a massive jolt. The eel uses low-voltage pulses to sense its surroundings, navigating murky waters with a sixth sense. When prey is near, it switches to high-voltage bursts, stunning and paralyzing victims with pinpoint accuracy. This power also protects it from predators. One shock is enough to send even a jaguar running. The eel's body is insulated to avoid self-harm, and its shocks are directed outward into the water. Scientists study electric eels to inspire new technologies in energy storage and medical devices. Handling one is risky. Researchers need special equipment to avoid a shocking surprise. The electric eel is a marvel of evolution, turning a basic biological process into a weapon, a tool, and a navigation system. It's a silent predator, commanding its world with invisible force. In the tangled rivers of South America, the electric eel reigns supreme, not with teeth or claws but with raw electricity. Its abilities push the boundaries of what's possible in nature. The electric eel, a living power plant, and a shocking reminder of evolution's ingenuity. What could we learn from this creature's efficiency? Perhaps the next breakthrough in technology will come from the depths of the Amazon. For now, the electric eel remains one of nature's most electrifying wonders. On the seafloor of Southeast Asia, a shape-shifting genius hides in plain sight, the mimic octopus. While most octopuses can blend in, the mimic octopus takes disguise to a new level, impersonating other animals to survive. It can contort its body and change color to mimic venomous sea snakes, flatfish, lionfish, and more. Each impersonation is a calculated move chosen to scare off specific predators. For example, when threatened by a damselfish, it mimics a banded sea snake, one of the damselfish's worst enemies. It tucks in 6 arms, waves 2 in a snake-like motion, and instantly becomes a different creature. This octopus can also flatten itself to mimic a flounder or splay its arms to resemble a lionfish. Its skin is covered in chromatophores, pigment sacs it controls to change color and pattern in seconds. The mimic octopus's intelligence is remarkable. It recognizes threats and chooses the right disguise for the situation. Discovered only in 1998, it's opened scientists' eyes to the complexity of animal intelligence and deception. Its boneless body allows for extreme flexibility, making its transformations seamless. This is Batesian mimicry at its finest, imitating dangerous animals to avoid danger itself. The mimic octopus doesn't just have one trick. It's a master improviser, adapting its act to whatever challenge it faces. In the ocean's theater, it's the ultimate actor, surviving by outsmarting its enemies. Its story is a testament to the power of intelligence and creativity in evolution. The mimic octopus, a shape-shifting marvel, proving that brains can beat brawn. In a world of predators, sometimes the best defense is a good disguise. And no one does it better than the mimic octopus. From regeneration to immortality, indestructibility to deception, these animals redefine what's possible. Their abilities are not just curiosities, they're blueprints for survival, and maybe even inspiration for future technology. Evolution has crafted champions in every corner of the animal kingdom. Which animal amazed you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild wonders. The more we explore, the more we realize our planet is filled with real-life superheroes. Stay curious and keep discovering the extraordinary.